Hey, gusto mo mag-buffet dahil birthday mo? O gusto mo mag-birthday dahil sa buffet? Eh, pwede po. The moment we walked in, sobrang nakaka-excite. Ang daming food stations. Pero syempre, inuna na namin yung steak stall. Huy, tara na dali. Sobrang daming choices. From steak, pasta, to everything in between. You name it. They have it. It's like traveling the world through food. Without leaving your table, guys. Ito na nga yung first batch natin, guys. So yummy. Let's go! Eat! Round 2! Don't mind if we do. Let's food tour again, guys. By the way, pag birthday mo, free ka. Yap, as in libre ka kumain. Basta may isang paying companion. So make sure to bring at least one paying person. Kung magbo-buffet ka naman within your birth month, kailangan mo lang ng 4 paying companions para free ka pa din. O diba? Free is free and we love that! And if nagki-crave ka rin, don't you worry. If di mo pa birthday, you can still get a discount when you book your reservation through Klook using our discount code Mark and Ann Klook. Just search at Klook Vikings and use our Klook code ha. Save a little, eat a lot, and that's a real deal. Dami ka nang sinabi guys, no? Pero that's a fun fact. Sana makatulong. Enjoy eating. Love, love, love. Ito na nga guys. Ito ang isa sa mga pinipilahan dito. Yan o, sashimi. Pero hindi namin tinry eh. Ayan pa, mga sushi. 100/10. Dito naman sa lasa, from the name itself, panlasang Pinoy. So mga lutong Pinoy guys, dito namin nakuha yung balut. Pero mabilis siyang maubos guys. Kaya once na nandyan, kuha na kayo. Balut is lifer kay Javi. Love, love, love! Meron din silang pa-music at pa-cake sa Celebrat. At eto na nga, aming second batch. Guess what? Kung may pa-third batch kami. Dandaranda! A coffee day! And that's a wrap for my husband's birthday feast. Till next buffet!